Mwanchomori gereria getaseni kiandizi TV chitariki komina kiandali tukolia Alhamisi hasentunde ngo kwaligania nyara ko bayin komanyase obwenge kegima halitogene tokobato kwendera kokubwatire kuri SMS ya itoyama ya kubaterana amona bariki baita bagende tokoba kweneka banyara ko bagoso na gutarera ebinyoro ahirinde banyara ko bakoya sangereria asiri bo elimu mwanchomori gereria tonyara ko bato gosanga amona yana manke kwaligania tia senchere obwenge konende gurana ndase kaitari gatambe nyara ko bato gosanga amona ngagende ko bagwateka Wetrasemi mitandao yetu ya Facebook Ndizi TV News, digital YouTube Ndizi TV News, website ya www.ndizitv.net na boko ya bwati ya amone mberobili aho togera tokobato kubwatilia kurwase igataseni Ndizi TV nsemo ya kabere studio gera tokoba kwenekya unachibicha monelio guchago chira senchira yo wikirana kwa sara mo manye lide musabe gonyara koba kwenekya bunago chire wetera somuno wewe manyiriria negoro kwa Josephat Misingo kwa leo tanyara kwa bato kusanga munahe kuru mochaka no wikira omwelio tukucha kurwase sekta yobolemi hanene bweke meligie chai kurwase county ya Kisii nigobono ababwatani nabigo abalemi bweke melikio gie chai habuo bakoni chai yabugucha se factory ya Nyamache asema mbia ya lero banyara kwa bakorobekana na wikira se factory yo asabagendera kwa bakwe murunganiria kelia bakoteba nigo bonus enke yanyarete kwa bage egosoka bakukwana monegeta seni Ndizi TV nigo bateberega chinsemo ahana kurwa sorongo rwa central nabo igo chingongo chinde nigo chigendete ko bachiko gokera ekerengo ekenenegie bonus kurende asa chi factory ahime ya county ya Kisii nabo Nyamira nigo bagenda ko bakorera askali bagoteba nigo bagendera ko bagweto mana kwenekya murabanyare ko bagotora echae erengia kurende chinga ke bonus yegocha nigocha ase ekerengo egekekegimo muri kiyo itomilede mo manya nagenda ko ba gakubwatia orobo Oti oro kurende tikatoligereri hali ya nyara kwa bagako gendera ase factory iyo ya Nyamache.
Usio rugo golkerandi omo yore migwe factory ya Nyamache na ebe tundu bari anene ni C69 omo soja. Engo teba iga. Factory ito kerto engo gote kuchibeso ngo ngechibesi ya chire igoro. Keraba chite wiki iberi chietete ba toira ndi bakasingi 20. Recentro nigo ba gachagwa bakani ngabantu banemba kuliera besa chirense bakaira ni bakasiri bakabamenta bakabaga singisti eri singisti ni sekiro bono ngo boli ntu Nyamache no mwegere totabwa ati bose no boyi boli Nyamacha ahando mo ribu manager na ari Nyamache yaita urwete kiamo kama akayeri kiamo kama ahando chiri Nyamacha ko yeri bono tore gataiga se kauria yama bantu bamintu omo manager yo korol Nyamacha iganganya usanganya omo manager mo ribu manager aso number 2 chai tu jaga mambitiri ko torwa ere tu Nyamache anyemba koreta besa cheito na ra yo katotagete karibo
ja kurunya cheki ward tunubari anere boranges die no ere gari wani tunare ko bolin kedina ngaki niki kogera aba remi ngaki entambe mbari kanyora bonus because production costs mbarate wa anakia abafanyikazi bagwa kanu na machineries abagorete kare nechingo bone factory ego tumia chingo kare agatumire amafuta inki yakogera bonus yetari goja because nyone anyore chingo cyare ko chigo tumika sai kangore ndikire kangore kange bonus kayere igoro kangore roba nyone 70 was 100 igo bona eta care management ebwate rs abari minki yakogera batari konyore bonus seine kiagara product
Moliki oito Mildred Momanyi nagere tokoba kubatira batiro mwanchomo ligere chinga kibono nyara kobaro goikira na munyara kwa mugosanga amona intweseyamo nechinsa isato chabono botuka senchira yobo ikirano ime county ya Nyamira bunenchira yamo yogosira obo cheno chiskuru nigobono ekyombekelia kia Rotary Club na wigo ya Aqua Clara kurwa asensame yo kenyara kobage kwaligania murubiri nyarakoba kubaleta amo abalimu abanene kurwase county ya Kisii, Bomet na Nyamira una enchira eyemo baranyarakoba bagukwanira higoro yo kwimakia ekerengo kia obochenu bagukwana mune kinyomba cyo borare ntigabo bisanane kurwase byombi bibiri banyarakoba kuriira ngamba chikoba bakweneke banyarakoba bakubwaterana amone chiskuru nabo igo abamenye kurwase county echo ryo kwenekia buna amarwira lya kwambukirirwa kubwatekana na mache abwate chiubi bwanyarekoba bogoterani gwali molioka nonya nabo nigo boigo banyarekoba bagoteba bachikoba bakubwatoka egati ya ebintu birachikoba bigosira obochenu bwa mache ase chiskuru image county echo.
With the partnership that we had with Clara, it's not been easy, I can tell you. You know, sometimes when you're doing a project, we are on By the end of the day, we always came to an agreement because our key thing was the children, and we were here because of them. When we came to do the handover, and I think there's some schools we visited, when you see that child going to the hand washing point and fetch water and drink it, when they go in the toilets, all that the influence, you know, they are afraid of the latrine, the latrine because of the big holes. I remember there's a school, it was Nancy when we were going for the needs assessment. One of the toilets was quite big. Even myself says it can't even be good. So you can imagine a small child. But then when they feel it's safe for them to go use the facility, that's where we get our joy from. That's where we feel the happiness. And we really want to do the work that we're doing. And this is more to be done. There's a milestone that we've been able to achieve, but there's still more needs to be done. But beside that, we were not happy with some of the schools. Actually,
Morobelio yumancho morigeranigo nyarakobo wikiraniwa boigo negati yabo bisa kurwase oboteneriwe kyombe kyabali munat abo banyarakoba bakwerandiria ebyombe ebyo ngambuye monaso kogwatira mone chiskuru naboigo banyarakoba bakuriira ngakurwa asuboteneriwe chiskuru mpachikoba kwena no botenerio bworo likwenekia okobwatira no uko kwanyarakoba gokoleta matunda ase chiskuru image county chisato.
You know, making or sacrificing the runners to go to bring water during running hours, lunch hours, it is really expensive, waste of time. Now we are able to get water within where we are. Toilets, as my colleague has said, they are indeed, and mentally, the runners have been trained even in their homes. It's now a routine. Kutoka nyumbani na mikono, then from the toilets the same, so they are ever clean. In fact, thank you so much. In fact, you
Torigererie aliagenda tukabaga okorekana isko ya orogongo ruagusio mwancho morigereria Ritko lialero nigo abarai banyarakoba bagoikirana me county ya Lamu ase omuyega abwoko mwenia omokonyi bw'omugavana bwe county eyo ya Lamu nyarakoba gagusiro bwima bwaye omukubi nyarakoba gogo etabakora wamona mokonyi bw'omurayiri Gashagwa nigo bono Gashagwa nyarakoba gakobolia okobwaterano bwikirano egati ya abarai bunenchira ya moyo kwene kyachira chamagendo nyarakoba chiwikiranirwa ochia ase abamenyi nigo nyagosira Rafael Munywa anyarakoba gagusiria obugima bwaye magega yo koruara ase egeka ikenge mono.
Na hii kaunti ya Lamu ni kaunti ya kila mtu. Kwa hivyo sisi tukipata amani hapa na gavana na seneta ni mshukuru kwa kuweka watu pamoja. Sisi zote ni wa Kenya, tuunganishe watu wetu, waongee lugha moja, wapendane, wafanye kazi pamoja, ndio maendeleo yetu iweze kuenea na tuweze kushughulikia hali ya maisha ya watu wetu. So governor and your team, I want to encourage you to continue building cohesion, putting people together so that watu waishi kwa amani. Tumekuwa na challenges ya kiusalama ambaye pale katika ikulu ya rais wetu William Ruto, nikiwa pale tukiwa na yeye tuliwalika hao viongozi wote, governor, senator, women rep, the 2 members of parliament, all members of the county assembly na maafisa wetu wa usalama, tukakuwa na kikao cha faragha mambo ya usalama katika kaunti hii. Na mimi nafurahi sana ya kwamba tulipofanya huo mkutano tumekuwa na hali ya amani katika kaunti hii ya Lamu, na tunataka tuendelee namna hiyo. maofisa wetu wa usalama, county commissioner and your team, plus ile multi agency team ambayo iko katika hii county. Mimi nataka kutolea nyinyi kofia kwa kazi nzuri sana ambayo mnafanya ya kuweka amani na kupambana na magaidi. Na Mheshimiwa Shakila, usijali, unajua sasa hao maafisa wa usalama tuwapatie nafasi wafanye kazi yao. Unajua sasa kila kazi iko na binu yake. Si ndio? The crimes in Lamu are complicated. You are talking of terrorism and banditry. Tunaongea mambo ya explosives. Those sniffer dogs unalamika juu yake.
Mwancho murigerio moyega uyiboigo ni gonyara ko bago ikiranigwa amona bagavana na buigo abakonyi baba gavana kuruchi county imeyense ya Kenya ase banyara ko bakoragwa amono mo gavana we county ya Lamu Hisatima mi unyara ko gakomoto gia nyago siro mokonyi oyebu mo gavana satebire echinga kibano banyara ko babisini banyara ko bakobwatera na senchera yobo ikiranu nonye nabo nigo atebira rachiko ira chinga kichiaye na kwenekia unonyare kobaga komochora omokonyo ndebo mugavana huyira chikobaga kwenekia ngabanyare kokoba bakobwatera na sekirenga gyogo ikirania chira chamagendro imeya ensemo eyo nabigo omugavana omombasa Abdulswamad Sherif Nasir boigo yanyara kobaga kogo kerege tambo kirikenyere kobe kwenekiwa amona barai kurwa sorogongo ruwa costa sekirenga gyoko bwatera na kwenekia una omorembe onyare kobo kwenekiwa asenseme ya coast.
Nimekosa advisor, nimekosa mwandani na nimekosa msaidizi mkubwa, lakini hayo yote ni mambo ya Mungu. Na nimesikia vile watu viongozi walivyoongea kuhusu uteuzi wa deputy governor, na niwaambie mimi sina haraka. Hata kabla sijamzika rafiki yangu, mimi sitaki kusikia maneno ya kumchagua huyu ama yule. Wacha mwanzo tumlazi, alafu tuangalie hiyo maneno. Hata kuna wengine wananiletea message kuniambia kisheria una siku 14 lazima uchague, na mimi niwaambie ile ni advisory ya Supreme Court, si sheria. Kwa hivyo I will take my time niangalie yule mtu atafaa kutumikia watu wa Lamu nimchague.
Na sikufika hapa wakati ule kwa sababu ya jambo jingine. Nilifika hapa kwa sababu najua umoja wetu, bila ya kujali ya kwa wewe ni dini gani, wewe ni rangi gani, wewe ni kabila gani, bora wewe ni mwana pwani, mweka hazina, ni mtu unafanya biashara katika eneo la pwani, ni mtu ambaye umeweza kuzaa watoto wako hapa katika hii eneo ya pwani.
Aseli tukoria kabere bono nigo omugiro bwa aborokia na baigeria na bigo abakori emeremo Kurwas University imeyense ya Kenya onyara kobago kogendera bago kwana Kurwas University ya Laikipia nigo abakori emeremo na bigo abaigeria bagendera ko babakoye mu cia serikali asogo taikirania okubwata na gukora emeremo yibanyalza ko babakobika SU mwaka we chirubere na 2024 nigo bigo banyara ko bago tuguterare okona weki na litkolia igoro nganigo omo mugiro yo ole mamincha yeli chika sabatebere nigo brachiko babako gendera muno mugiro yo oikaririe serikali yanyale ko bage goikirania chira chobokoreri ubwo banyate ko babako bekese.
Been here for the last 2 days now, fighting for something that should have been sorted out in 2021. Free people are using money to travel to go and plant trees. One day, mtu anaenda too many places. Us getting money to make us come to work is not there.
We have a CBA that is almost coming to end of the circle. We have a CBA of 2013-2017, which was never signed. We have a CBA of 2017-2021, which is ongoing and nothing positive since we gave out our proposals. We have never seen anything moving. The university's employer have never followed it up to make us know where these things have reached.
I've been told by Wasonga that we strike until a deal is struck. I was told to tell you that court order, the so-called court order, is immaterial. It was meant for Wasonga and Mukwaya. As our job is to strike. Let's
Horoboti oruo igoro ya omogero wa aborokia Ase University Mwanchomo ligera na otoko ya kiromo Somali ama ya chinsa ikomi ya senchira yobwenge kigima kurende inyora nkaya na yande amagatoga natakwatu kubwatire gura semese itema ya nyara kobago gusanga amonere Evelyn Osero ensa ayamone chisasa tuchere robotukanyara kobaga kumanya asenchira yobo ikirano kwa kiranga mbia mwana sokwende konyara kobago sanga muna intu amaya yana bigemero bali togenda tokabato kwaligarire Meandizi TV chinse mirongo ebere na nyamatuka 5 na bere ye wiki Sara Mumanyi nero nyara kobaga kwene kibona chibichamunire kichagukira senchira yobo ikirano semo ya kabere studio leader Mosebo nyara kobaga kwene kya unagochere gwetera somunwa webimanyire liana goro kwa Josephat Misi na konerie oboligire lyobya bwe merobere ko bwatya Meandizi TV.